asked me to come here to stand in front of the Chinese embassy to demand, the Chinese government to stop the genocide. Stop, the genocide, and close the camp, and also release our beloved ones. Release our family members, release our fathers, release our mothers, release our sisters. Basically, release the humanity in East Turkestan. That's why we came to in front of the embassy, ask them to stop the genocide. Same time, we want to give the message to, international community, what's happening in East Turkestan. And we want to become the voice of the voiceless of the people in East Turkestan. That's why we came to hear the voice of the, the Uyghur people in East Turkestan. Maybe one country not strong enough to say no to China, but all countries come together, like Canada, like the Holland, like the UK, like the Turkey, and many other countries. We can come together, we can say no to the China, no to the genocide in the 21st century. That's why we want to call international community to help the Uyghur people, to support the Uyghur people, and save the Uyghur people. That's why we want to ask also Turkey and the Turkish people to just now also Dr. Abdul Salam he's mentioned the issue is more than the culture. The issue is more than the religion. The issue is more than the language. It is basically crime against humanity in the 21st century. That's why we want to call international community to support the Uyghur people, save the Uyghur people, ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century, and also ask the Chinese government to stop the brutal oppression towards the Uyghur people in East Turkestan. Thank you.